If your TV doesn't have optical or coaxial audio output, can you still hook up speakers? If your TV's HDMI port is labeled ARC or eARC, and your speakers have coaxial or optical audio input, you can use the HHA audio extractor to send the TV's audio to the speakers. Here's how to use the eARC feature. Give me a moment to hook up the devices. Once connected, it'll look like this. Then, turn on the eARC function on your TV, and you'll be able to play the TV's sound through the speakers.